njye wa gatanu umugore wa gatandatu ubwo ni bituwere 6
ubwo ni ibihumbi
18
gushyira kuri 50 amavuta
nangahe amavuta 13 litiro
18 okay 29 30 ibihumbi 80 okay hari ikindi
nta kindi rwose mbabyeyi nta kindi
nta gacupa
okay
agacupa
ngabo mpereza inyogo ye
ni wane
wowe bite
ni swaga
niki ukeneye nona urifuza iki
icyo nkeneye nkeneye amafaranga yo kwishura inzu n'isukari n'ifu y'igikoma
angahe yose hamwe
inzu ku kwezi nishuraga ibihumbi 10 ku kwezi ukwezi kumwe kubera twebwe bwacu ni mu cyaro ubwo ni nk'amezi nk'atanu n'ifu y'igikoma n'isukari n'ibyo ngibyo
nibyo byonyine yose hamwe nangahe
n'ibyo kurya
byose hamwe rero ukubira byose nangahe
ibihumbi 100
ukishyura amezi 5 inzu
ego
akarahahamo
okay aho ngaho ni sawa abantu mwashyira muri request umuntu uhita ufata inyogo ye ahita ashyira muri request muri comment ndi kubareba hanyuma noneho nzuvu mu ndekere twagiye muguma aha ngaha ndashaka kubakorera umunsi ngaho mwe hasi guys mureke twese mureke dukore iyi geste turebe niba bishoboka niko nzovu usagiye
ndahari
nzovu
ndahari boss
hanyuma okay twagiye vuga okay inyogo ye
yola
ngaho mvuga ngo Godfather
iki
kagongereza muri
mvuga ngo
Godfather
nzovu mvuga ngo
Godfather
wabikora kubishaka kicwe n'uburoro okay twagiye ahangaha sasa rero guys twagiye ndashaka kugira ngo let's get these blessings ninde uri hano hanju umuntu ushyira muri request ashyira muri request agiye gukora ikintu cya fresh we andikamo mpite kuzamura ndazamura abantu bitewe n'ikintu ugiye gukora please andikamo nkuzamure twagiye
hose ntibadutabare byari bindemerereye
kugenda gake twagiye guys ninde muntu hano
utayabonye ko bose
uretse gato ngo mutayabonye muki nzovu uvuze ngo iki
ndabona batayabonye kubera ubusinzi bwawe
yakaba yasinze
ari he
ntago wamenya naho aherereye
Diane
yamenya dusabiwe
wowe okay
kamera mabusha
Diane va kuri kamera vuga ibyo utanga uvuye kuri kamera
Diane kuri mwiza
Eugene wowe twagiye Eugene shyira muri request nkuzamure
ndagufana
urakoze mukobwa mwiza
Diane burekana na Diane babandi bose abantu bagiye kubaha amafaranga
wambomoza
umva ariko
nzovu rata mubaze subiza okay wamubomoza
Diane ni mwiza nukuri
nzova by'ibyo biretse
asa nkaho mukonyine wanjye.
Okay, twagiye musubize Diane wamuha. Diane.
Ntabariza umusaza Diane.
Amuha.
Diane wimbabaza n'ukuntu.
Ndagufana.
Diane icyangombwa cy'ubutaka.
Nyine wamuha. Arakubaza niba wamuha.
Oya.
Diane kandi watuma njya mu mugozi.
Kubera iki?
Ko unyanze.
Njye nkunda Asian.
Ukunda
Nkunda Asian.
Ere.
Ariko
Njye
uje nka
nkunda
indi
nkunda Abachina.
Abachina.
Iriya yororere igere muri
Uri hehe uherereye he? Uri hehe?
Njyewe mu Bwongereza.
Uje gusapotinga abana bajene cyangwa?
Nguki?
Uje gusapotinga abana bajene cyangwa ntabwo uje kubasapotinga?
Ndabafotinga. Ndabafana.
Uretse gato. Ngwino hano gato. Okay, aya mu Eugene zamuka bro. Eugene shyira muri question nkuzamure. Eugene shyira muri question nkuzamure. Okay. Noneho ndeba nyabitaho ko ntari ikicucu avuye kuri kamera, avuye kuri ntuzaga kuri kamera Diane.
Why?
Can you come on camera?
Kubera iki?
Rero uyu nguyu ahubwo ntabwo wari inzovu
ni kubera ko wari wabikoze.
Okay. I did.
Ako se waragiye nyabita. Garura abajene hano ntabwo
tufite. Twamagara reka turi muri shoot telefone ngiye kwanya kamera n'abayigufashije nimukenera nimero arayibabwira.
Ndagufana.
JP.
Umva we Diane.
No, ndafisa n'uyu mukobwa ndamufana cyane ndakubona muri YouTube yawe.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ngereze picture wayifashe pino ushaka kuyimute nze nani.
Uyu nguyu ni gati. None se urabajyanye we nyabitanga niba ujanye abasore nawe manuka.
Wone mbubajyanye nawe manuka. Oho gutise.
Urababuze umugatisha.
Yawe bamanutse. Niko Dia.
Karame.
Ngwino hano gato reka kunyeganyeza kamera shyira kamera ngo nkurebe nkuvugishe nkurebe. Kubera iki uri umunyarwanda?
Yes.
Utuye England nkaye?
London.
Uhamaze igihe kingana iki? 5 years.
Naje hano mfite imyaka 8.
Ufite uretse gato. Waje ufite imyaka 8.
None amaze
imyaka 5. Bivuze ngo ufite imyaka
25.
8. Okay.
Afite 13.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm uretse gato. Wageze ufite imyaka 8.
Yeah.
Wageze England ufite imyaka 8.
Yes.
None uhamaze imyaka 5. None none ufite imyaka ingahe?
25.
Okay.
You asked me this free time.
Okay. So 8.
That's actually weird.
Wait a second. 8 plus 5, 25.
Yes.
Okay. Ngwino shiri, ngwino uretse kugenda come over here. Guys, wait a second. No, Nimuseki. Sure. Why did you get off the camera? Where are you going?
I'm shy.
Okay, so
no, don't be shy.
Okay.
Because you guys are laughing me. It's not nice.
No, we don't. No. We're not laughing on you. So, Twaji, okay. So, how long have you been there? Maybe you can run it for you.
Okay, I don't know how to say anything random.
Okay. How long have you been in the UK?
It's a long time. I came here 2027 something.
2020 something, you know?
Yes.
No. How many years have you been in the UK?
I don't know. It's a long time.
Yes.
Buretse gato. Diane niwe ubundi niwe narabuze. Okay, let's move on. So Mama.
Eh?
So
This
Diana.
is what happened. I would never marry random people laughing me.
Okay,
No.
why did you choose to
We laugh for the message.
Ako saretse kumvira mu wirunga.
Ariko yaho turi kumva.
Kazongo, yeah.
Diana. Why did you choose to date Asian people? Kweli kudasha dating aba Asian women.
Because they are nice.
How?
They're cute.
Because they have small day.
Yeah, they have a beautiful smiling, beautiful face.
Mm-hmm.
So people don't judge people like marry. If you people want to marry like Korean or India or Rwanda or black or white is your choice.
Ona gukunze ndabikora nte.
Njye ngukunda, ntabwo njye ngukunda.
Kweli kutankunda.
Ntabwo nkuzi.
Ufite imyaka ingahe?
Me? I told you, 25 on my days.
Umaze imyaka ingahe mu
Niyindirwamo yo
Hey, ndagufana wa ari heye.
ngo yarahari. No, umaze imyaka ingahe mu Bwongereza ya Diane?
Why do you want to know?
Ariko urabitubwiye ngiro tubwire.
Why?
Zovu. Diane. Ufite abana bangahe?
Njyewe nafite abana.
Ntabwo ufite abana?
Why?
Umaze kudatinga abashinwa bangahe?
Ntabwo ndadating.
Diane ukora iki?
Ndahinga. Uri iki? Ndahinga.
Nese abantu ni gute abantu njye nzi ko abantu batuze mu twatajya bahereza telefone. Ndi mu Bwongereza.
Ibintu tuzahurira nabyo hano. Aravuga nka AI.
Ubundi Diane niwe wanjye.
Aravuga nka AI. Ndahinga. Yaza ko hano muri Amerika nari kumwapurayinga nk'igifu.
Nakataraza muzakazana. Bro, this platform nakasa umutwe ndakurahiye.
Noneho mugana.
Diana aragarutse. Nase Diana wari tukajya kwiruhukira ko nari nkomanuye waba ugiye kwiruhukira Sheri.
Iwacu ni ntabwo ari nijoro.
Wagiye gukwikira isuka ukagira ubuntu ukuntu uza guhinga.
Nakubeshyaga, ntabwo umenga.
Ukora iki?
Mu Bwongereza barahinga.
Murya iki?
Turya ibiryo bivuye muri how do you say in English? How do you say mu Kinyarwanda? Bivuye mu isoko.
Umaze imyaka ingahe mu Bwongereza kandi umusubizo uri serious?
Oh my days. You told me this 3 times. Now we got to
You're gonna answer that question or I drop you again.
Why?
Can you answer that question? So to answer the question is not a big deal, by the way.
Okay, how long have you been in Rwanda?
It's forever. They mean since I born.
Good.
My whole life.
So you want to move different country?
No, answer my question. So I ask you the question, you skip your answer.
Okay. I've been here about 4 days.
None baratse kugira nk'ikigoryi ukaba umuntu mukuru. The fuck?
That's not nice. Listen, this is what happened. I'm never marrying Rwandan people. They're actually swearing.
And nobody can marry you. Stop that nonsense. Talk to me normally. So like, what do you mean you live in the UK for days? So stop. Who told you we need you to marry you?
Okay, let me ask. Okay, let me type you.
Uri umunyarwandakazi?
Yes.
Umaze imyaka ingahe mu Bwongereza?
I just write it.
Ndakuboroka.
Okay, 5.
5 what?
5 years.
From where?
From here.
No, I mean before 5 years wabaga he?
Mu Rwanda.
Mu Rwanda he?
Gitarama.
None ufite imyaka ingahe? How old are you?
Oh my days.
No, this is the last question nkubaza. How old are you?
I'm 25.
25 and you umaze imyaka 5 mu Bwongereza.
Yes.
And you don't know Kinyarwanda?
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting.
I know a little bit.
Irunga.
Ntabwo nzi kucyandika, ntabwo nzi ku...
Okay,
wagiye mu Bwongereza cyane.
Buretse gato, Igitarama mwavuga uruhe rurimi?
Ikinyarwanda.
Buretse gato.
None kuvuga nka AI. Yeah.
Diane.
You don't make sense, bro.
What is again? So, umaze imyaka 5 mu Bwongereza.
Yes.
None Ikinyarwanda muke.
Ariko ndikiri umwana naracyumvaga cyane.
Hanyuma maze
gukura kiraho ndakibajya buhoro.
None niba warakibagirwaga wavuga iki?
Ndishye umwana?
Uri umwana wavuga iki kirimi?
Ikinyarwanda cyinshi.
Hanyuma ukibagirwa ufite nk'imyaka ingahe?
Nibagiwe mfite ba 14 or 11.
14, 11. Nuvuga ngo 14, 11 wabaga he?
Nabaga he? Hano?
Kandi hamaze imyaka 5.
We naje ndagahinja.
Uretse gato. Waje uragahinja?
Nari naragahinja ba nari mfite imyaka 8.
Uretse gato.
Nurura ahangaha. Nureza amashuri hano.
None umaze imyaka ingahe mu Bwongereza?
Oh my days. Ntabwo nabikubwiye.
Imyaka 5.
Yes.
Waje ufite imyaka 8. None nuvuga ngo kuva ku myaka 8 ufite imyaka 25. So mu myaka 25 umaze imyaka 5 mu Bwongereza. Yamaze imyaka ingahe mu nzira mu mbarira imyaka amaze mu nzira?
Aruvuze ngo yacitse ibitaro.
Abantu bumbaye
yanyuze muri Kanare urumva.
No, yamaze imyaka ingahe?
Ubwato burahagama ntabwo wamurenganya.
Ubwato je navuye mu ndege. Okay, indege nayifata muri Kampala.
None se iyo ndege yagiye imyaka ingahe?
Uretse gato, wayifatiyeho indege? Kampala, Uganda. So, Uganda hamaze igihe kingana iki?
2 weeks.
What? Wamaze 2 weeks Kampala? Kuva Kampala kugera UK wakoresheje igihe kingana iki?
Ntabwo mbizi. Ni kera, ntabwo ndi umwana.
Ntabwo uri umwana?
Yamaze imyaka 13.
Ntabwo mbizi, ntabwo nabimenye.
Ntabwo wabimenye?
Ni kera naje.
Mwamaze iminsi ingahe mu nzira kugira ngo mugere muri UK?
Simbizi, kuba nari umwana muto ntabwo nari mbizi. Byose narabigiye.
Uyu murenganya yagiye mu ndege avuye UK ajya muri India bajya kumubaga asubira muri Nigeria kumuteranya then asubira muri UK.
No, njye ntabwo bambanze. Didn't have a passion. Are you okay? The heck?
What is your passion?
No, njye ntabwo nshaka kubaga. It's dangerous.
No, I have a question for you, Diana. You are 25 years old, okay? Let me make it clean in English, okay?
Yeah.
Yes.
You you came from Rwanda when you were 8 years old, okay? So now you're 25. Now, and you spent 5 years in the UK. So before coming in the UK, where have you been?
Me? I've been in you mean travel?
The fuck?
Travel from where to where?
You traveling? Wait a second. You traveling for 13 years?
I don't even know. I'm confused. I don't know what you're saying.
Okay. Where did you went to school?
Here. Yeah.
How
I
many-
mean, you mean Rwanda or here?
No. Okay, in UK, how many years do you go into school?